Welcome home, champion. How was school?
It was awesome, Dad. We learned about dinosaurs.
Did you score a goal in football?
No, Dad. I didn't play today.
You didn't play? That is strange. Are you hungry? I made cookies.
I don't want cookies. I don't want cookies. I just want to lie down.
He refuses cookies? Emma, something is wrong.
Peter, come here. Let me look at you. Your face is very red. And your eyes look tired.
Mom, my head feels heavy. And my throat hurts when I talk.
Come on, buddy. Let's get you to the sofa.
Let me touch your forehead. Oh my goodness! Davy, he is burning up.
Is it a fever?
He is very hot.
Mom, I feel cold. Can I have a blanket?
You have a fever, sweetie. You feel cold, but your body is hot. Davy, get the blanket and the thermometer.
On it. Okay, Peter. All right, Nye. We need to check your temperature.
I don't like the thermometer. It feels cold.
It will be quick. Just lift your arm.
We put it under your armpit.
Hold it tight. 1, 2, 3. Wait.
Is it done yet?
Not yet. Patience.
Beep, beep, beep.
Let me see.
39 degrees.
That is a high fever.
Poor baby. No wonder you are tired. Peter, open your mouth and say, very red and swollen. It looks like a bad cold or flu.
Should we go to the hospital?
Laughing.
Precor.
Not yet.
Not yet. If the fever goes above 40, we go. Right now, we can take care of him at home.
Okay. We need a plan.
Step 1, cool down. Step 2, medicine. Step 3, sleep.
I will go to the pharmacy. I will buy medicine and cooling patches.
Hurry back, Davy.
Peter, we need to change your clothes. Your shirt is sweaty. I don't want to move, Mom. Everything hurts.
I know, baby. I know, baby. I will help you. Bargain. Put on these soft pajamas. Now I have a warm towel. I will wipe your face and your hands. It will help you feel better.
That feels nice. Mom, can you stay with me?
Of course.
I am not going anywhere.
I am right here.
I am back. Ta-da!
I ran very fast.
Dad.
I have everything. Från Husai. Fever syrup. Throat spray. And apple juice.
Good job, Davy.
Now, the hard part.
Medicine time. Medicine time.
No. I hate the syrup. It tastes yucky.
Peter, listen to me.
This medicine helps you fight the virus. The virus is the bad guy. The medicine is the superhero.
Okay.
Pour 10 milliliters, Davy.
Open wide, Peter. 1, 2, 3. Swallow.
Ew. It is bitter. Give me water. Here is the juice.
Oh. Drink it quick.
Yuck. I never want to do that again.
You are very brave.
Now, you need to eat something.
I am not hungry. My throat hurts.
I made soft cloud porridge. It is easy to swallow. No chewing needed.
Sit up a little bit. Use this pillow.
It is hot. Blow. Blow.
Now try. It is okay. It is warm.
1 spoon for Mom. 1 spoon for Dad. 1 spoon for getting strong.
Dad, stop. You say that when I was a baby.
Even big boys need help sometimes.
Okay. 1 more spoon. That's it. I am full.
Good job. That is enough for now.
Mom. Dad.
I am here, Peter. Can't you sleep?
I had a bad dream. My nose is blocked. I can't breathe.
It is okay. Let me prop up your pillows.
Can you tell me a story? A real story.
When I was your age, I got sick too.
Did Grandma take care of you?
She made me soup.
And she sang a song.
Can you sing it?
Just quietly.
Sleep, my little bird.
Close your eyes.
Davy, you go sleep. I will watch him now. I will watch him now.
He just fell asleep. His fever is going down.
You look tired.
Good night, my brave boy.
Sleep tight, baby.
Mom is here.